First question, draw a line say AB, take a point C outside it, through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compasses only. So we have to take a line AB and outside it we have to take a point C, and passing through C we have to draw a line which is parallel to AB. So let's start with the first step. Draw a line AB, take a point C outside this line, take any point P on AB and join C to P. So we draw a line AB and take a point C outside this line. Let's say this is point C, and take any point P on AB. Let's say this is point P. Then join C to P. So we will join C to P. This is the first step. Let's do the second step. Taking P as center and a convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting the line AB at D and PC at E. So we have to take this P as center and a convenient radius, any radius. We have to draw an arc intersecting AB and PC. So we will take this P as center, P point as center, and taking P as center we will draw an arc which will intersect both PC and AB. So like this. It will intersect line AB at D and PC at E. Next step, taking C as center and the same radius in the previous step, draw an arc FG intersecting PC at H. Now we have to take C as radius, this point C as radius, as center, taking C as center and the same radius. Same radius means this PE. We took this radius in the last step. So we have to take this same radius and center C, and then we have to draw an arc intersecting PC at H. So this arc will be like this. So it will intersect PC at H, and the name of this arc is FG. Next step, adjust the compasses up to the length of DE without changing the opening of compasses, and taking H as center, draw an arc to intersect arc HG at point I. That is, first of all we have to adjust the compasses up to the length of DE. So length DE means this length. DE, we have to adjust the compasses to this length, then without changing the opening of compasses and taking H as center. Now taking H point as center, and we have to draw an arc intersecting this arc FG at point I. So now take this H as center and draw an arc like this. It will intersect this arc FG at I. Last step, join the point C and I to draw a line L. Now we have to make a line passing through point I and C. So the line will be passing through both I and C like this, and that line L will be parallel to AB, and that will be the required line L which is parallel to AB.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.